This this is I make for the virgin coconut oil. So we take this one coconut, the coconut, and then we just squeeze to make into coconut milk, and then we wait for 24 hours, and then tomorrow we just strain with strainer, and then we get the coconut oil tomorrow. The benefit of very good for skin, to smoothen the skin, and also if you have like skin disease like psoriasis and eczema, is very good for your skin. Then you can just apply, and very good for sensitive and for all skin types, and also very good for your face, body, and hair. Yes, sure, you can drink 1 spoon a day. This is very good for your heart if you have heart problem, and then it's also very good for your blood, increase the blood circulation even. Thank you very much.